Hello traders. Today I'm going to tell you about the IQ option OTC market, how it works. Okay, let's get started then. If I click here on the tab, okay, so you'll see all the currency pairs. Okay, but there is something different here. Okay, if you see in the bracket, it's already mentioned that OTC everywhere, OTC, 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 and everywhere. Okay, but some of the currency pairs are not listed. Okay, so they're opening soon in the 6 hour. Okay, but they are not part of the OTC right now. Okay, so what is meant this OTC market? So it is very important. It is very important to beginners who aren't interested in the micro option trading and the and about and that the person they are not they are totally unknown about the OTC. Okay, let's get started. I will tell you about the what is meant by the OTC. So OTC is in what is meant by the OTC? Over the counter market or an off exchange trading is done directly between two parties without supervision of exchange. Okay, so it is the contrasted exchange which occurs via exchange. So it is an over counted market, and this is the market which running without the supervision of exchange. Okay, so what is meaning of that? So suppose there is a market and it's running watch under the watch of UK advisory board. Okay, so the real market also is running in under the supervision of something exchange. Okay, but this is the OTC market which is not running under the supervision of someone. Okay, it's and there is no one is watching on this, so they are not keeping eyes on this network, eyes on this OTC market. It is a totally different. It is we can say on others, say on other words we can say it's an scripted market. So what is meant by scripted market? Scripted market means the broker already created their scripts, or they created their programmings, and the every Saturday and the Sunday they're running their programming and they're running their script at the backend side. So on that basis your market is running. Okay, it is a very risky market. Very, why it's a very risky? Okay, because if we consider, if we compare the real market, in real market always you get the news. On the news, you can predict your where your market will go or up or down. Okay, but in this dummy market or in this OTC market, okay, or in this scripted market, you will not get any news. Okay, so you can't predict your market will goes up or down. Okay, and third thing, you can lose your money. Why you can lose your money? So in that, you don't know where is your market will go, because there is no news. Okay, and how you can predict? So it is very difficult to predict where your market will lose. So in that case, you can lose your money. The second important thing, when the OTC market start, okay, that is I have mentioned here. So the market start Monday through Friday at this time, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, guys, up to now I have given the points on the OTC market. What is meant by the OTC market, and what is I mean by the what is the time? In that time the OTC market opens. Okay, so OTC market always open after the real market closes. Okay, that is on the real market closes on the Friday. Okay, after that the OTC market start up to Monday at this time. So guys, as I have 3 to 4 years of experience in the IQ option, so I suggest you, please do not trade on the OTC market. Please do not trade on the OTC market. If you do this, in that case you will lose your money. Okay, So number of beginners asking me how to trade on the OTC market. I always suggest them, please do not trade on the OTC market because it's a dummy market. It's a program market. Okay, it's a program running on the background. So you cannot predict. This is all this program. So if you see these candles, all these candles all are programmed on the backend side. Okay, so you cannot predict it will goes down or it will up. Okay, so I strictly suggest you, please do not trade on the market. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe, please like, please share. It will help us to grow. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you. Bye.